My name is Sadiq Abdullahi. I have been registered to this clinic about the hair transplant. I have been doing research about where to get a hair transplant since I was experiencing a hair loss and my hairline was rough. Uh, Maybe I thought I have to do research to find out the best clinic that I can get a hair transplant. My friend came here 2 years ago, and he recommended me that they offer a good price, good package, and they are very welcome, and they give you your wish, what you wish. So maybe I decided to visit this clinic and see myself. So I came 1 week ago and I booked my session. Now, Alhamdulillah, my surgery has been completed and I'm feeling very hopeful. The procedure, the doctors are very helpful and they are so welcome, so generous, and their hospitality is nothing I expected. They're so very well, and everyone who is maybe having doctors to get hair transplant surgery, this clinic is the best. You can come and visit and have a session with the doctors. Then you may decide yourself when you see the results they offer. And I am so happy that I came and did my surgery, and I hope for the best in the future, inshallah.
I did where I did, yeah. No one can contest, yeah. Now only Jah with the place, man. I put the hustle on my chest now.